Riding down 95 in a spaceship, found me a new vibe. She 11 out of 10, I think I'm falling in love. I know it's stupid, but this bitch the truth. Take the T-tops off if them stars out. When she walk the water parks, another target wanna follow. Don't believe me, you can call her mistress, that's my name. She with me on long rides, kid who did it and did it again. You better let them know it came from the south. Can do what I want, cause I'm popping off on
Top of the morning, man. Hey, how y'all doing? 87 message boy checking in with y'all one more again. Don't even know what we getting into today, but we gonna get into something, man. I'm out here messing with my son. He detailing the car. And hey, he be doing this thing, man. I'm gonna show y'all what he working with. So he detailing a friend's car. A real detail. Y'all see it ain't no seats in there. Seats over here. So he's starting on the inside. He ain't done with the other side yet, but I wanted to show y'all the bad side first. And she a senior. Well, she was a senior. She graduated 2025. So he done started on this side. Got a little bit more work to do. Y'all see it. This a real detail. Not none of that bull crap some people be doing. Seats out. Hopefully I'll be able to get it when he done. Cause you know, of course he gotta do the wheels and all that stuff. He gonna get down and dirty with this thing. Or should I say down and clean with it. But yeah, hey, my boy be working, man. If y'all in the area, y'all need a real detail, man, holla at the boy. Car Films, y'all know where he at. Oh, hey, you need to tell her she need rotors too. Look, did you see that? Look at them rotors. I know that one, that's the only one I noticed. I didn't really look at the other ones. Oh yeah, she need rotors over here too. So both front ones. The rear, yep. She need rotors all the way around. So you might want to let her know. You can do that too. And if she get rotors, she need to get brakes too. But yeah, them rotors gone. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what he. Oh, and so it's twins, man. If y'all feeling, generous or whatever, they just graduated high school. Twins, these are their cash apps right here. That's crazy. So I'm gonna let that sit there for a minute so y'all can type it in, pause it, whatever you gotta do. But yeah, they graduated this year and they own the bigger and better things, man. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what old Car Films had going on, working over here. And he might have one more to do today. I wish I would have got video of him doing his sister car. Her car was 5 times worse than this. This ain't even that bad, for real. Hers was ridiculous. But it ain't the worst I've seen, though. But yeah, we gonna go ahead and get our day started, man. I gotta take I ain't even got no name for her. We just say Red. We gotta take old Red to the doctor. Her AC ain't working. So this car is still under warranty. I took it before for the AC, and they tried to tell me that wasn't nothing wrong with it. So if y'all listen here, oh, no music. So y'all hear that? Do y'all hear that hissing sound in the AC? So you hear that hissing sound? Hopefully y'all can hear it through the phone or camera or whatever, but there's a hissing sound coming from the AC. I took the car, apparently, so yeah, y'all hear that? That's not right. That's not right at all. So I took the car to the dealership because, like I said, I know something had to be leaking. It gotta be a leak somewhere, air in the system or something. And if air in the system, guess what? How air get in there from a leak? So I took it up there because it's a hissing sound. I'm not stupid and I'm a car guy. I never heard a hissing sound coming from an AC unit in a car. So I took it up there and they told me I had to pay for the diagnostic. So How you doing? Good, good. So they told me I had to pay for the diagnostic, which was like $250. That's like, but if we find an issue, then you get that money back. Of course, what they said, they didn't find no issue. They said that that there's no leak in the system. All right. So then he goes on to tell me where my hood thing at. So then he goes on to tell me, oh, it cut off because I had it on. It's a safety feature. I had it on remote start. So like I said, he go on to tell me that there's no leak in the system and it's going to cost $888 to refill my AC system. What? $888 to recharge my AC system? Come on, bro. Come on. But see, that's their tactic on giving me to pay instead of having the warranty cover stuff, right? Because like I said, if there's an issue, warranty gonna take care of it. If there's no issue, you know, I just gotta pay out of pocket. So I paid the $250, then they want another $880 to recharge the system. Cool, I get it. I get that it's more expensive than 134A because I have the 1234YF. If you know anything about that, you know it's really expensive. For one small, I think 8 or 12 ounce can, it's like $60. So what I did, me being somebody that know about cars, I went and bought me some Freon 1234YF. Put it in. It calls for 26 ounces. So that was about 2 cans. I put 2 cans in, and it got cold. So AC running good. I'm like, okay, well maybe they wasn't lying about, you know, about it not having a leak or whatever. AC ran cold for about a week. Next thing you know, it's hot again. So I check it. It's low or empty or whatever. So I put another can in. It got cold again for about 2 days. And then it's hot again. And we still have the hissing sound. So come on, man. I'm about to go back up there and I'm about to show my ass. I'm gonna be nice at first. But then, you know, if I ain't getting the answers that I'll need, then I'm gonna have to get on their ass because I ain't got time nor money to play around with. And this my wife's car. She gotta have AC, bruh. We not playing them games around here. So I'm gonna go out there, see what they talking about. Like I said, I'm gonna start off nice, but you know, depending on their energy, gonna depend on my energy. But I tell you one thing, we're gonna get something done. I tell you that, because I'm tired of it. Like these dealerships, man. That's why I like messing with my own stuff. These dealerships will try to get over on you, and I don't have time nor money for it, man. Yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all a lot of cars right here in the front. It tell you what you need. This is the refrigerant that this car take, 1234 Yankee Foxtrot. That's what this car take. It don't take the 134A. It's a lot. The 134A like $12 to $15 a can. This right here is $60 a can for the small one. The big can, like, they got a big one for $89 and then a big one for like $119. So it's expensive, man, with these newer cars. This is 2019. I don't know what year they started using it. But if you got this, bro, just be prepared to spend some money. But like I said, man, I'm taking this up there. They gotta tell me something, bro. They gotta tell me something because it's a leak in this system somewhere. And this is where I feel it at. This the low side. If you don't know anything about AC, if you know, trying to refill your thing with Freon or refrigerant, as some call it, you always feel it in the low side. So this your low port and this your high. And normally it's indicated on there. And see, I even see I see Freon right there. I don't think I'm supposed to see that. I don't know. I'm not an AC guy, but I'm not a dumbass either. So, yeah. So low side, high side, and then actually you can see the L on there. This one I don't think it has an H on it, but you can tell like this one is bigger than this port is bigger than the low side port. But I was just trying to visually inspect this thing and kind of, you know, do some of my own due diligence before I go up there to that shop and give them a piece of my mind, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, it is what it is, man. You know, we got things to do. Got to handle business, man. We need some AC. This is why I didn't drive the Durango to Florida, because of the AC. So we would have had a little bit more room in here, but we ain't got no AC. Gotta get that AC right now, baby. And I definitely ain't letting my wife go in there, cause she gonna act the fool worse than I will. So I'm gonna try to keep this thing cordial and get it fixed.
But tag me in. But tag me in.
See, y'all hear about them. Tag team back again.
It's too hot to be around with no air.
But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and see what we come up with, man, and I'll get back with y'all, man. Y'all wish me luck. Y'all hopefully nobody have to come get me out of jail, or my wife, because she show out. All right, y'all. We back with an update. So I ain't have to show my ass. They was very what you want to say? What's the word for it, man? They was very supportive, or whatever you want to say. I don't know the word for it, but no hassle. I went in there and talked to them. It was like, all right, bring it back Monday. We're gonna check it out. I also had one other issue with my tail light. If you know anything about the Durangos and stuff, they got that they got the LED strip that go across the tail lights and everything. They known to go bad. Mine has lasted a long time, so, but my warranty is up. So I got like 2 years on my warranty, but whichever come first, 75,000 miles or 7 years. And we at 69,000 right now. So once we hit 75,000 or 7 years, it's a wrap for the warranty. So I'm getting everything done, you know, anything that's wrong with it that I can get done while I can. So yeah, we're gonna get the LED light fixed, and they're gonna check the AC again. So hopefully they find the leak and they fix the leak on Monday. And that's it, man. I ain't have to show my ass. I'm not behind bars. I'm in the streets. We about to go get some food. You know what I'm saying? So wifey didn't even have to get out the car, because Lord knows they don't want them problems, dog. They don't want them problems. Speaking of that, man, y'all know when y'all go out to eat and your food come out wrong, or something ain't right with your food. And most men, I know myself, I be like, man, I'm gonna just eat it. Shh. Not when I'm with my wife. She gonna turn that shit around. She gonna let them know that her husband shit is not right and they need to go back in that kitchen and get it right. But I don't like sending food back, because I don't trust people, first of all. But she don't care. But you better check that food when it come back to the table, though. And just be nice about it. You know, she do be nice about it until they not nice, and then that's when we have issues. But wifey definitely gonna speak up, man. Definitely. I know y'all can relate. But anyway, man, we gonna get to it. It's lunchtime, and I'll holler back at y'all. Ooh, y'all hear that? Little Hemi.